Hi friends, in this video I will going to start a concept which is related to NEET, JEE, KCET or any other competitive examinations. That is first chapter of second PUC or CBSE 12th, that is electrostatics and Gauss law, electrostatics and Gauss law. Gauss law, one of the very important chapter for competitive examination. Here, let us try to understand what is actual meanings of electrostatics. Actual meanings of electrostatics. See here, electrostatics is the branch of physics. Actually, it is a branch of physics which deals with the study of characteristics of electric charges at rest. Characteristics of electric charges at rest. If you see, what is electric charge? Electric charges at rest. At rest. Okay, now there is one word we come across, the electric charge. What is the meaning of electric charge? The electric charge is nothing but, in general, we are calling it is electron. Electron. Not only electron, sometimes you can call the proton also. Proton. The reason is, if you have any atom, if it is an atom, everyone know that around the nucleus electron revolves, and inside the nucleus there exists a positive charge. There exists a positive charge. Plus E we are calling, plus E. The electron and protons are basic electric charges. And the magnitude of charge of electron is -1. Everyone know that. The magnitude of charge of proton is +1. +1. So we should remember. Now let us try to understand what about electric charges. If these two charges, not only electron and proton, these are basic charges. If proton number is more, imagine if proton number, if we study the number of protons equal to number of electrons, then we are calling such bodies are electrically neutral body. Electrically neutral, that indicates that it will not make any difference in that body. So what is that? Imagine if you call the number of electron, number of proton, let me call it is Np, and number of electrons, let me call it is Ne. If number of proton greater than number of electron, then we are calling such body is positively charged body. Positively charged body. Positively charged body. Similarly, if number of electron greater than number of proton, such bodies we are calling negatively charged body. Negatively charged body. Either positively charged body or negatively charged body. Imagine if in any body there exists a charge, either a positively charged body or negatively charged body. Then what happens when charge is at rest? What physical quantity we can learn? What are the characteristics of such bodies when charges are at rest? And we have to study the branch of physics which deals with the characteristics of charges at rest is called electrostatics. Now let us try to understand basic. So already you know that the electric charge is a property associated with a body or a particle due to which it is able to produce as well as experience the electric and magnetic effects. See here, charge is one of the very important parameter. Charge. And entire your 11th or second PUC, you will going to study how charge behaves either at rest or in motion. Think if charge at rest, at rest, charge at rest, it produce only electric field, only electric field, electric field. Then, okay, when it is at rest, it produces electric field. What happens? The same charge in motion, what happens? And it is showing in motion means there are two types. You can take, there are two types. One, accelerated charged body, accelerated charged body, as well as non-accelerated charged body, non-accelerated charged body, charged body, non-accelerated charged body. So in case of accelerated charged body, non-accelerated charged body, then accelerated charged body means there is a change in velocity. What is acceleration actually? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity, and it should be different from zero. That indicates that either acceleration may be greater than zero, that indicates that positive, or acceleration may be less than zero, that indicates that negative. The acceleration may be positive or acceleration may be negative. Here what happens that non-accelerated body means acceleration, that is dv by dt is equal to 0. That indicates that it moving with uniform velocity. And in such situation, here non-accelerated body produce, when it is in movement, electric field and magnetic field, electric field and magnetic field, electric field and magnetic field. So what you can say here, in this case, non-accelerated body produce electric and magnetic field. Similarly, the accelerated body when charge at rest, it produce only electric field. Now here, what happens non-accelerated charged body when it is movement? When it is movement, it produce electric field, magnetic field, and one more, it is electromagnetic radiation. It is electromagnetic radiation. electromagnetic radiation. So you should remember what is electromagnetic radiation. We are calling generally it is electromagnetic spectrum, and naturally we are getting as a light. Light. So you should remember charge is one of the basic parameter that will that is responsible to provide the electric field, magnetic field, and electromagnetic radiation. Charge at rest produce only electric field. Charge in movement, non-accelerated charged body, that is a charged body moving with uniform velocity produce electric field and magnetic field. Electric field and magnetic field. And here accelerated charged body produce all the three things: electric field, magnetic field, and electromagnetic radiation. This is about how charge behaves either at rest or in motion. Okay, now let us try to understand the other characteristics. The charge is a fundamental property of a matter. What is actually charge? Charge is fundamental property of matter. It is a fundamental property of matter. Charge is fundamental property of matter. Property of matter. Okay. See here actually how we have to understand. Not only that, the charge never found free. You are not getting charge never found free. Found free. Free. These charges are never found free. Okay. So you should remember charge is a fundamental property of matter. It's never found free. Okay. Now the excess or deficiency of electrons in the body gives the concept of charge. Already I told that if number of protons, the excess or deficiency, excess or deficiency of electrons in a body gives the concept of charge. In a body gives the concept of charge. So you should remember, if electron exists, that body becomes positive charge, negative charge. If electron deficiency, the body gain positive charge. So electron deficiency, positive charged body, excess electron, negatively charged body. Concept of charge. Concept of charge. Okay. So what is the next parameter? Let us try to understand here. Then there are two types of body. Already I told that one is a positively charged body, another one negatively charged body. Two types of charged bodies. Okay. The deficiency of electrons in a body known as positively charged body, and the excess of electrons in a body is known as negatively charged body. Already I explained. Try to understand the things very clearly. Then if a body gives negative charge, the mass slightly increases. Imagine, that is very important. If a body, imagine there are two types of charged bodies. First charged body, it is a positive charge. The next charged body, it is a negative charge. So let us try to understand positively charged body. Positively charged body. And negatively charged body. negatively charged body. Negatively charged body. Charged body. See here, in case of a positively charged body, what you are getting actually, in case of a positively charged body, here, if body gain a positive charge, if a body gain a positive charge, mass slightly decreases. That is very important parameter. What happens? A body gets a positive charge, mass slightly decreases. Slightly decreases. That you should remember. What happens when negative charge? The opposite of that. Mass slightly increases. Mass slightly increases. Increases. Mass slightly increases. So you should remember, while the positive charge, mass decreases, negative charge, mass increases. Okay, these are the characteristics. So you should remember, if charge moving or charge at rest, that also very important. Then generally we will write a symbol of charge. It is a Q. Q statics. Q statics always equal to Q dynamics. Therefore, Q dynamics. Therefore, movement of a charge will not create any charge difference in a body. Charge difference in a body. Here, one more thing you should remember. If positively charged body moving means charges in a body moving. Not here, you should remember, charges in a body moving. Charge inside the body, not outside the body. So body may be at rest, but charge inside the body, it starts moving. If you take a conductor, any copper wire, metallic wire, the charge is moving inside the body. So don't get confused. Charged body moving from one point to another point. That is a mechanical things. Inside the charge, inside the body, charge is moving. So we should remember very, very important point. That is nothing but inside the body. Here, what we already discussed, charges in a motion. What we discussed actually, charges in a motion. That you should remember. See here, we have clearly explained in this case what you are getting. The charges moving. Okay, charges moving. Here inside the body, you don't get confused in this situation. Charges in a body moving. Body may be at rest. Not charged body moving. Charges inside the body moving. Charges inside the body. Charges inside the body moving. Body moving. Charges inside the body moving. So that you should remember. Okay, these are the basic characteristics of the charge. Okay, now we should remember in the next, let us discuss some more fundamental characters of the charge. Some more fundamental characters of the charge. Okay, see here that parameter. Let us try to understand. Okay, now what exactly that indicates? That the SI unit of charge is coulomb.